on your Fibonacci retracement tool and you take the swing low, which is the bottom wick of this red candle here, that's the lowest point on the chart, and then you take the top wick right here, and this is what's known as connecting your swing low to your swing high. So we're going to go ahead and click on these real quick, and if you simply only connect the swing low to the swing high, you can see that the support and resistance levels do not extend to the right and don't necessarily show you the levels unless you drag them, which is very simple. You just drag them over to the right, and now you can see it's bouncing off of the levels and respecting the levels very well. Now, when you start off and you go to settings here, it's going to give you the 382, 618, 236, 786, and 0.5. What I like to do is I like to click this and click this and click this one. And the only ones that I want to pay attention to are going to be the 38.2, 50%, and 61.8% retracement levels. The reason being is because these are the three most common and well-respected